Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process for how you can sign in or log in into your Craigslist account. Now for that, first of all, you open any browser on your PC that you have been currently using. Open a new tab and on the search bar type in www.craigslist.org and tap in search. Now here on the Craigslist web page, you can see on the left side of your screen there's create a posting and just below that there's my account. You click on my account. This will direct you to the login page of the Craigslist. Now here to log in, you need to provide your email address and the password of your account. So on the email text box, you type in your email address and below on the password, you type in your password. Then click on login. With that, you will be easily logged in into your Craigslist account. There you can see I have been easily logged in by providing my account credential. This is how you can easily log in. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.